To transfer data from your old Android phone into the Pixel 11 Pro, you will have to start by opening settings on your Pixel and right now scroll like almost all the way down until you find these options like accounts and a backup. You will have to open this one and select Android switch. Now, as you can see, we have to go here to start. And by the way, before you start transferring, make sure that you will get like 50% of the battery for both devices. Now you will have to click start and now select Pixel or Android device, iPhone or iPad, or for example, copy another way. In the most cases, when on the both devices you are connected to the Wi-Fi network, you've got enabled Bluetooth, you should get this automatic connection. So you can just click start on your old phone, but if something is not working properly, you can try to select here or go with the another way. In this case, like most of you will get this one. So let's click start. Now we have to turn on location on our old phone. And now it's gonna try to connect. So we have to be patient. And now we have to scan a QR code. But if it is not working for some reason, this QR code scanner, you can open the camera on your phone. In the most cases, most of the cameras got actually this feature built in, or you can use a shortcut in the quick settings. In some smartphones, you can also find the QR code scanner. You have to just search for this. But now for me, let's just simply go it. Let's scan. And now we have to continue setup. In this case, I have to verify myself with my fingerprint sensor and take a look. Now it will just make this stable connection between both devices. As you can see, it's connected, network and the services and accounts. There we go. And now I have to click next, click next. Okay, as you can see right now, we have to just grab the Pixel 11 Pro and we can select what we want to transfer. So we can transfer like literally everything. So I've got almost 150 gigs of data and it will take like almost 4 hours. So that's a lot. But if I'm gonna unselect, for example, photos and videos, it will drop to like 30 minutes. And when you go, for example, for the application screen, where you can find this arrow, you can select what applications you want and don't want to transfer. So you can just manage them, like transfer, for example, only 2 of them, or you can just transfer all of them, just like you want. It is not possible to do this with media, so we cannot select only specific media. And the same with the device settings like Wi-Fi, passwords, and more. So now if you select everything, click copy in the right bottom corner, and now just wait for a copy process. It will take a few moments. You will have to scroll all the way down, click accept. And as you can see, if we want to speed up this transfer, we have to connect both devices using a cable. Now as you can see, the transfer is finished, so we can click done and we have to just wait for a few moments. Now click done again, and you should find all of your data by using the Google Files. And that's it, please hit the like button.